What's going on, guys? It's Gino from Modern Accessory Review, and yesterday my iPhone 12 Pro Max just arrived, so I want to unbox it for you guys and show you my first impressions. I did pick up the Pacific Blue color, and I am really excited to see how it looks in real life versus online, so let's go ahead and unbox it. As you can tell, the iPhone boxes are a lot thinner now because Apple actually removed the power brick and the earpods, as you probably already know by now. And instead they only included a cord that's USB-C to Lightning, so you will need to get an additional power brick from Apple if you want to make use of that faster charging. And if not, you can always use your old iPhone charger and cord, but it will be a lot slower. So let's go ahead and peel away this plastic here. Man, does anyone like that satisfying sound, or is it just me? Alright, let's see here. Jeez, this thing looks insane. I'm telling you guys, I think this Pacific Blue color is my favorite iPhone color yet. I was having a super tough time going between this color and the graphite, and I am extremely happy I went with the Pacific Blue. The back is made out of frosted glass, which I actually really like, and the sides are made out of this surgical grade stainless steel, which gives the phone a super luxurious look and feel. Now, one thing I have already noticed about the stainless steel though is that it can get smudges on it super easily, but I still think it looks incredible. Now, unfortunately on the front we do still have this notch at the top here, but it almost looks smaller than on the other iPhones because of the larger size of the Max. And honestly, the notch has never really been a huge deal for myself, but I do know for some people they really don't like it at all. Now, one thing that is super cool about the screen here is that it is supposedly 4 times stronger than the previous iPhone 11 Pro screen, and Apple is calling this ceramic shield because, you know, Apple, they always have to make a fancy name for their new features. And of course, I also picked up the leather iPhone 12 Pro Max case with MagSafe, so let's go ahead and unbox it. And by the way, if you haven't already heard of MagSafe, it is pretty much just a circular magnet that is built into the back of the iPhone, and it allows you to connect accessories like wallets, the MagSafe charger, and cases. And this case actually has MagSafe built into it, which means that magnet is on the back of this case as well, so that if you were to get a wallet or the MagSafe charger, it can still connect to the back of the case just fine. And you'll actually be able to see the MagSafe magnet inside of this case, and I'll show you when I open it up. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop this open. Whew. Sweet, I got this black case here because I thought it would look super good with the Pacific Blue. So let's go ahead and pop the phone in and see exactly how it looks. Also, let me flip this over here so you guys can see the MagSafe magnet in the back. As you can see, it's just like a little circular magnet with the inside hollow. Okay, so popping in the phone here, you can see that it will detect the MagSafe on the back. There you go. And it looks really classy in my opinion. I actually really like it. It has a good leather feel, and I really like the squared edges of the phone because it's easier to grip, and I think it feels better in the hand overall, plus looks better at the same time. Man, this looks so good. Now, I did actually buy the MagSafe charger as well from Apple, but I won't receive it for another week or two, so I'll definitely make sure to show you guys when I get it on my Instagram at Modern Accessory Review. And I actually already picked up the 20-watt power brick, but I don't think you guys really want to see me unbox this because I already unboxed it. Here, let me show you. Alright, so as you can see here, this is the 20-watt power brick, and this is the cord that came with the phone. This is the USB-C side, and then this is the Lightning side. And as you can see, the USB-C just plugs into right there, and this 20-watt brick gives the phone a little bit of a faster charge. And after setting up the phone here, you can see right off the bat this screen is really big. With a 6.7-inch display, this is the Super Retina XDR OLED, and it is definitely the phone for people who want a large screen that looks super clear with incredible colors. And when I first got this phone, I was actually kind of worried about the size because my hands are about average and they aren't super large. But after using it for even the first like 10 minutes or so, I've almost kind of gotten used to it. It is a little larger in my pocket compared to my old phone, the XR, but it isn't a huge deal for me and I don't really mind it just being a little bit bigger. Now, one bonus of having a bigger phone besides the nice screen is we actually have a bigger battery so that this thing will last a lot longer. Of course, I haven't tested it out yet because I need to review this phone and spend some time with it, but going back to the screen here, it looks so good while playing games, and I'm sure movies on it will be awesome as well. And as you can see here in Clash of Clans, this big screen really just makes everything come to life. By the way, does anybody play this game anymore, or is it just me? Definitely comment below if you play Clash of Clans. Of course, I am going to be doing a full in-depth review of this iPhone 12 Pro Max, so definitely stay tuned for that. But overall, I am stoked how good this thing looks and feels, and man, I can't wait to try out the camera and video on this thing. But with all of that being said, thanks so much for watching this short first impressions video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.